naira, 10 million naira, 10 million. I think, yeah, 10 million, 10 million.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, hold on, let me call you back. Hey, young man, how can I help you?
Good afternoon, sir. No verse. I don't see you for this area. I beg, I need help. You understand? Nothing in my house. Nothing in my house. I need money to buy food stuff. Even my family problem don't collect even my future salary.
Yeah! Oh, you want me to help you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. What do you have in your account so that I will know how to help you?
My name, sir.
I know you have your name in your account. Like, what is the meaning there? What is the meaning in your account?
My name, sir.
Your name?
Like Steven Chukwuebuka.
You don't have any money in your account and you want me to help you? You must be mad. Yeah! You don't help yourself and you want me to help you.
Oh, guy, if you tell me say you no get joy now, this thing enter.